I'm Steve Wickham. If you're like me, you wanted to switch your electricity to solar so you can reduce your carbon emissions and help protect the planet for future generations, and hopefully save some money as well. But you couldn't because it simply isn't possible to get solar panels where you live, or you don't want the hassle and upfront expense to install solar panels on your roof. But now you can support all the environmental benefits of solar power without installing any solar panels and actually get a guaranteed credit on your electric bill every month. All you have to do is go to solarizeandsave.com, where you can estimate your monthly credit and check availability for a common energy community solar farm that you can subscribe to, just like this one in Slingerlands, New York. It's really super easy, and it's just like getting an instant rebate on your electric bill just for supporting solar energy. It's the perfect solar option for renters and homeowners alike, and even small businesses, because it's free to sign up and there are no panels to install, no upfront costs, and no long-term contracts. You'll just get a guaranteed monthly credit on your electric bill every month for up to 20 years for choosing to support community solar power. You may have seen new solar farms being built, and most people assume thousands of customers can be served with each farm, but in fact each farm can only serve about 500 homes, so availability is seriously limited. Go to solarizeandsave.com right now to estimate your monthly credit and check availability for your home or small business. It only takes a few minutes to check your eligibility and to sign up, and you'll never pay full price for your electricity again for up to 20 years guaranteed. Common Energy began by offering solar savings to customers of utility companies in eastern New York State, and while they've continued to expand across New York, they've also opened for business in several other states as well. Common Energy is registered with the State of New York Department of Public Service and has the exclusive endorsement of the nonprofit Solarize Albany Alternative Energy Advocacy Group. Visit solarizeandsave.com today for more information and to estimate your monthly credit. It's the best way you can spend a few minutes to reduce your net carbon emissions, help build a more sustainable future, and have a guaranteed savings on your electric bill.